Magandang umaga. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, everyone.
Oh, lahat.
Oh,
Tayo mga ibon.
we're going.
Saan tayo pupunta?
We're going there, guys.
O, diba? Palayan, hanggang pang palayan lang muna kami.
Swing, swing.
Hindi ko alam pangalan nito, guys, eh.
Swing, swing.
Green fields dapat to, pero yellow. Yellow ngayon. Golden yellow.
Yellow.
Gawa ng yung mga is paani na.
Swing, swing.
Marami nang inaani.
Bling, bling.
Alam mo ba sa probinsya, sa ganito nanguha kami ng tulya?
Bling, bling. Guys, sa province kami ngayon. So, expect nyo na nature and palayan-palayan yung mga lalakaran namin, guys.
Yes.
So, hindi natuloy ang beach namin, guys.
Dahil sa mga sunod-sunod na typhoon.
Yes, guys. So, at least may plan B pa rin kami, guys. Hindi kami nawawalan ng plan talaga, guys. Layo pa lang nilakad natin. Bakit? Bumalik
Kaya nga.
pa tayo doon. Andun pala tayo pupunta. Ang ganda dito sa amin mo. Tapos pag umuulan. Bling, bling! Kiss, kiss, kiss! Bling, bling!
1, 2. Nobody told me to settle down. Day nights and late nights don't get around. But there's something about you I like. About you I like. You're crazy for saying I should slow down, but maybe I'm escaping the love we found. There's something about you I like. About you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better.
Welcome! So guys, mag-aano na kami, mga malaki kay Novela.
Bling, bling!
Susundan mo kami? Ipapasundan mo sa amin? Sige.
Gusto ko yan.
Harap, tsaka likod, tsaka harap. Ay, side. So guys, masyado kami maarting dalawa. Sorry na. Ang magiging labas nito, guys. Lakad naming dalawa.
May bodyguard kami, guys.
May cameraman kami. Hi! May cameraman kami, tapos may nagdadrive para sa amin. Okay na? Ay, guys, tatakbo kaming dalawa eh. Ay, mabilis! Hintay mo ako, bakit? Halika na, dali!
You want my destiny. You want my destiny.
May mga bata na naman po.
Dapat doon tayo, oh.
Pwede ata di ba tayo?
Pwede ba? Mamaya nadulas tayo. O, side naman. Hawak tayo. Tan, 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 tan. Ang saya-saya. Para kaming tanga. Kala nyo ah. Ganda kaya.
Pero binibideo tayo. Bakit tayo na-extra sa nila?
Tararara, tararara, tararara.
Dapat dito din yung pwede tayo.
Yun pa, upo-upo ka, tapos gaganong-ganon ka. No? Upo tayo. Hi! Papaikot niya bakit? O, diba? So guys, ganito lang kami. Ganito lang kami magsaya.
Para lang kaming bata.
Mga simpleng bagay. Para lang kami bata.
Sasayaw ka pa ah.
Come on, baby. So guys, ganun lang naman kami magsaya. Mga simpleng bagay. Tita na. Tita na. Ay, reporter, bakit? Bakit itayo mo ko? Tawa ka mo ko.
Hala kasi nasa TV na. Bakit nasa TV na tayo?
Guys, sikat na kami.
Ay, nasa TV na tayo. Bakit panoorin natin? Itanungin kayo natin kung ano yung ano niya. Tapos panoorin natin.
Artista na kami ni Raisa. Binibidyoan kami nung lalaki. Kanina pa. Nung nagtatatakbo kami. Reporter pala, baby.
Ay, nasa TV na ako.
May hawak siyang mic. Ayun o, nagtatanong siya. Ayun o, yung hawak niyang mic.
Do you remember when we couldn't get enough of it all? We kept it going for so long, so long. I don't know where I would be if we let it go. Cause every time we try to break it down and build again, yeah, every time we try to make up for something lost, you know, we're never letting go. This time we can reach the sky on a prayer, we go higher than high. Yeah, wide awake, it's a big mistake, cause it's something we can deny. But with a love like this, we'll never fall. All of a sudden you'll be standing there with someone new, cause it's been going so wrong for so long. Let's keep this dream alive, the art of letting go. Cause every time we try to make a stand and start again, yeah, every time we try to make up and make amends, you know, when push comes to shove, this time we can reach the sky on a prayer, we go higher than high. Yeah, wide awake, it's a big mistake, cause it's something we can deny. But with a love like this.
O, di ba nakiaya na sa atin ng panahon? May ano na, may araw na.
Nobody told me to settle down. Day nights and late nights, don't kid around. But there's something about you I like. About you I like. You're crazy for saying I should slow down, but maybe I'm escaping the love we found.
Yeah.
Something about you I like. About you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better.
Tatakbo ulit.
Oh, kunyari ganito. So guys, we're going.
We're going out.
See you on our next stop.